Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Roblox thumbnails using Blender. First, you'll need to download and install Blender, a powerful three-dimensional creation suite. Once installed, open Blender and familiarize yourself with the user interface. We'll then focus on importing your Roblox character model, typically in an OBJ or FBX format, into your Blender scene. This initial setup is crucial for laying the groundwork for your stunning thumbnail, ensuring all your assets are ready for the creative process ahead. Now that your character is in Blender, let's bring them to life through posing. Use Blender's rigging tools to articulate your character's limbs and body, creating dynamic and expressive poses that tell a story. Next, compose your scene by adding props or background elements, carefully arranging them to create depth and visual interest. Experiment with different camera angles and focal lengths to find the most impactful perspective for your thumbnail, ensuring your main subject stands out. With your scene composed, it's time to illuminate it. Strategic lighting is key to making your thumbnail pop. Add various light sources, such as a strong key light, a softer fill light, and a rim light to define your character's silhouette. Then, apply and fine-tune materials to your character and props. Adjust properties like color, roughness, and metallic values to achieve realistic textures, making your assets look polished and professional within the three-dimensional environment. Finally, let's render your masterpiece. Navigate to Blender's render properties and set your desired output resolution, typically 1920 by 1080 pixels for a high-definition image. Choose a suitable render engine, like Cycles or Eevee, for the best visual fidelity. After rendering, save your image in a common format such as PNG or JPEG. This final step prepares your stunning, custom-made thumbnail for upload to Roblox, ready to attract viewers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.